Hello folks, this is Physics 2023 May June paper 1-2 and the question number is 37. This question is concerned with the topic of a Wheatstone bridge actually. It doesn't look like that. And it says the potentiometer circuit, but though it is potentiometer, it deals with Wheatstone bridge. So in this circuit, the readings on the ammeter is 0. So the current here is 0, I is equal to 0. The light dependent resistor is then covered, which is this one here, and the ammeter gives a non-zero reading. After covering, it gives a non-zero reading. What change could return the ammeter reading to 0 once again? So we have to return that thing into 0 once again. So first of all, I equal to 0. It means that what we have is, if I name this resistance as R1, if this is RL, if this is R3, and if it is R4, then initially it was R1 by RL is equal to R3 by R4. Initially the condition should have been like this. Now what happens now is the light dependent resistor RLDR is then covered. So this is covered. So when this is covered, it means it leads to darkness. It leads to darkness there. That means RL increases. RL increases. Now to increase RL, what I must have is, so if RL increases, and to maintain this ratio, I must have this R4 also should increase. R4 should increase, and if R4 increases, then we have to have this slider somewhat like this. So in a potentiometer, the PD or the resistance depends on the length. So if R4 should increase, then this length should increase. This length should increase. This length only increases when we slide this thing over here. So to have that, we must slide this thing towards the left. So the choice is moving the sliding contact to the left. Correct choice, incorrect choice. And next is about the supply voltage. So whatever be the supply voltage, it is not affected. So these two things are not going to affect it in any case. So our C is the correct choice.